In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Color Picker column in Monday.com, a powerful feature that allows you to integrate precise color data directly into your workflow. This can be incredibly useful for tasks such as design projects, branding exercises, or any scenario where maintaining color consistency is crucial. Let's dive right in and explore how you can add and use this handy tool in your Monday.com boards. First things first, to add the Color Picker column, you need to begin by navigating over to the far right of your board, next to your current list of columns. You'll see a plus icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt a search bar to appear, inviting you to search for the specific feature you want to add. In this case, you'll simply need to type in Color Picker. As you type, the Color Picker option should appear in the search results below. Click on it, and just like that, you've added the Color Picker column to your board. Now, with the Color Picker column in place, it's time to start populating it. Select a blank cell within this new column to begin adding your color information. You have several options here to input color data, providing flexibility depending on your needs and preferences. One of the most precise methods is by entering the color's hex code, which is widely used in web design and other digital applications. This 6-character code allows you to specify the exact shade you want, ensuring consistency and uniformity in your projects. Perhaps you prefer a different format. You're covered. You can also input RGBA values, which stands for red, green, blue, and alpha, or transparency. This format is particularly useful for colors with different levels of transparency or opacity, adding another layer of specificity to your color choices. Alternatively, there's the HSLA format, which stands for hue, saturation, lightness, and alpha. This is handy when you want to adjust color intensity or brightness, offering a more nuanced approach to color management. For those who prefer a more hands-on method, you can even select a color manually. By clicking into the cell and utilizing the slider, you can visually explore and choose the exact shade you want, all without the need to reference external color tools or software. This ensures a seamless and more intuitive experience directly within Monday.com. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effectively integrate the Color Picker column into your workflow, allowing you and your team to easily manage and reference color data consistently and efficiently. Whether you're working on an intricate design project or coordinating brand colors, this feature keeps everything streamlined and at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and happy color picking.